Good morning, traders. Nick Massandreo, Market Tea Leaves, here to bring you our daily market bias for Friday, April 19th. It's a little after 5 a.m. on the East Coast. I wanted to review the overnight session with you. All of Asia closed to the high side, some to the tune of triple digits. Currently, right now in Europe is also trading to the high side. They've been trading to the high side pretty much all morning long. In terms of market correlation, as it stands, the US dollar is trading lower. This is very bullish for the markets, very bullish for the indices. In terms of energy, specifically crude is trading to the high side as well. And this is very much correlated with currencies, as there is an inverse relationship between the two. In terms of the financials, specifically the bonds are trading down. Again, this is also very bullish for the markets, very bullish for the indices. As we take a look at the indices themselves, they are trading to the high side. They've been trading to the high side all morning long. Currently, right now, it's about 40 ticks or so above the close from yesterday. In terms of metals, specifically gold, that is also trading to the high side. So it looks as though gold is starting to rebound from the losses incurred early in the week. Now, in terms of any kind of economic news that we have today, really in the United States we don't have any. What we do have is the IMF meetings and also the G20 meetings. That could be, that could potentially be a market mover, but as it stands right now, our bias is to the high side or the upside because the markets are correlated as such. And also, we don't have any major economic news to drive the markets in a downward direction today. Unfortunately, yesterday the markets were correlated, but we didn't really have very good economic news. In terms of unemployment claims came in higher than expected. Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index came in much lower than expected, and so did the Conference Board leading indicators, if you will. They came in less than expected. So basically that tend to drive the markets lower. We don't necessarily have that issue today. So again, our bias is to the high side. But again, as in all things, could this change? Absolutely. Recall what I said regarding the IMF and the G20 meetings. Sometimes they hold press conferences, etc. And depending on what they say, it could be a market mover. But as it stands right now, our bias is to the high side. Thanks, hope this helps, and look forward to the next time with you.